All right, guys, and we're gonna try to have a little fun today. I got a special guest coming. That's gonna help us out a little bit. Somebody, he's an All-American, so it's gonna be somebody kind of special. I don't know where the hell he is, so I'm gonna turn y'all over to the coaches. Y'all go get yourselves warmed up. I'm gonna go make a phone call and see where we are. Okay? All right? Hustle up! Hustle up!
Yay! I like hustle.
Ready, go! Ready, go!
There's the All-American coach. Hey, why'd you be coaching?
Ready, go!
Yeah,
Ready, go!
A lot of wondering going on about who this special
Ready,
All-American
go!
guest is going to be. About this special guest coming.
All right, ready,
What do
go!
y'all think's up with that?
It's Coach Cody.
Oh, it is?
Ready, go! Ready, go!
The roof and hang it from my house.
Let's go!
Oh, wait. W All-American!
All-American!
Trevor Lawrence! Why didn't take you?
Hey, y'all ready to play some football? Hey, y'all go get some water and we gonna play. Y'all get to hit me today. Y'all see me, you get to hit me. You see me, you get to hit me. And here we go.
Guys, it's Trevor Lawrence. He
You
dyed
like
his
that?
hair.
Huh?
You say Trevor Lawrence.
Did somebody strap me?
I may be better than Trevor Lawrence. I'm coming to get you, Romero. Nice. Nice. Get out and block.
Remember your coverage. Hey, remember y'all two were last. Y'all three are the last ones down the field. I know you hate it. I know you hate it. But you got to. You got to in case somebody breaks it open. Fast. Don't be the last one. Be the first one. Here we go. Hey, make sure you check everybody. Make sure that they're on the line.
Go over. Get on the line. Get on the line. Go over.
Make a tackle. Okay, close in on him. Close in on him. Close in on him. Go. Hurry up. Close it in. Close in on him. Close in on him. Hey, Trey. All right. Go. Run. Fast as you can. Get it. Get it. Get it. Oh, yeah. There we go.
Hey, what do you think about this All-American guy?
I think he's pretty good.
Yeah? Do you think he's pretty
I
good?
think he's Bobby Couche.
Bobby Touche?
Yeah,
Why you call him that?
because he looks like
I was the one that originally started, me and Evan. Then they took it off.
Yeah.
Y'all feel like he's in play-in conditions?
No, not really.
Not really. Would you say he's lost a step
Yeah.
or several?
Yeah, like 20,000.
20,000 steps? Anybody gonna take him out today?
Probably not. I already did. A picture of him?
Yeah, I just wanted to know if you had any opinions on today's guest All-Star.
I've definitely never seen that dude. He looks a bit weird.
He looks weird?
Yeah.
I think he's
Does he look talented?
I think he's definitely not an All-American.
he's free.
I'm pretty sure that he's like the majority of the team on the All-Star.
I think he's last string.
It looks like a guy that he hired off Craigslist. He also looks like more than $20. Hey, say he's an All-American.
I think he bought him on eBay. 20,000.
Hey! Set! Go!
That's what I'm talking about.
Get my dress on.
Montana.
Ready? Set! Go!
Come on, hit me.
There he is. Oh. I didn't want him to embarrass you. Hey, Coach, why is your chin strap unbuckled?
Strong right.
It's tight.
Let's go, boys.
Ready? Set. Go.
Hey, Leighton, don't take it easy on him. I need you to get better, and that's how you get better, okay?
Strong right. Strong right. Strong right.
Get up there, Jonathan.
Ready?
Oh, I got that guy.
The only other thing that's going to happen is they're going to run across the coach.
Set. Go.
Oh, go ahead.
Hey, Coach.
Hey,
Coach,
Peyton.
your hand was around his throat.
Hey, Peyton.
Set. Go.
Hey, Payola. Getting your butt on the ground.
We ran a no defense.
Oh, Coach, you're running back? I was about to put Bo back there.
Damn, he wanted to go. Damn, he took all your competition away.
Hey, it's fine. Hey, you
How's
still
the run
need to
over
go.
me yet?
Coach Holder's filming
I'll
that.
run over you. He still needs. We ran the ghost.
Hey, defense, get back for one play.
What are you doing? No.
Hey, don't record this.
I can't watch what they're doing.
I'm tiny.
Oh,
Hey, run it again.
You can't be looking up to me and saying I'm tiny. You can't do that. What?
Bro, your glove? I think your gloves are broken.
Hey, we got 15 minutes to goof off. What do y'all want to do?
Okay.
11 on 11.
Yeah, 1v1.
I just said you got 15 minutes to screw off, and you want to go 11 on 11?
No, Sharks in the field.
Wait, we can't get you to go 11 on 11 when we want you to.
No, Sharks in the middle. 1v1.
How about this? How about y'all all get y'all best shot at me?
Hey, listen to me.
You'd have hit me.
Hey, listen to me. Hey, listen to me. On the whistle, one big circle. Coach Cody's the only cat.
So we all just go against
Not all at once, Romero.
Here we go, boy.
Here we go, one big circle.
That would be
I'm scared. We got the other one.
Hey, do y'all know the definition of a big circle? I want y'all to spread out like this, hands and hands. Oh, look at that. Our circle's growing. Just like my belly, over 40. There you go. Hey, there we go.
Coach Cody's
Hey, listen to me.
Back it up. Hold it. Back it up.
The water boy. Hey, we're going to save the best for last.
I know. Tucker to go first. No, Coach Cody. Coach Cody.
All right, here we go.
Oh, yeah, Tucker.
Hey, unsportsmanlike conduct. There you go.
Too much skin on the field.
Parker.
Push him! Grab him!
He's not trying.
Here we go.
Can we get a rematch?
Everybody likes it.
You gonna pop him just now. You go.
We got things to do. Don't walk. Come on, let's go. On the whistle.
Let's go, Bob. Let's go.
There we go.
Let's go, Bob.
Hey, why you see that?
Alex, come back. Do it again. Hey, remember how I told you I wanted you to hit that guy across from you with the front of your helmet? I want you to do this to that old guy, too. Here we go.
Drive him, Alex. Yeah. Let's get hit up.
Jack, hold her.
Yeah.
Don't let him get up on you. Stay low.
Yeah, I want to see Tucker. Yeah, both that Henry. You like to stand. On who?
Yeah, who's holding?
Hey, Bo. Your turn.
Bob, hit his knees. There's no such thing as holding his hand.
Hey, Coach Marcus. You're up next. There you go on the ball.
No, that's the last. No, this is the last one. Coach, I'll go up against you.
Jake Snyder.
Keep your heads up.
Woo! Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Are you hopping? Jake Snyder, did you just hop? It's not leapfrog. This is Bus's butt. Leighton Hart.
Yes.
Oh!
Mouthpiece in. You've been wanting, Leighton. You've been wanting. Tired. You got him. He's tired and scared.
Hit his knee.
Tired and
I need you to
scared.
get down.
Oh, get back and do that again. Get back. Come on.
Well, no, he's waiting for you to hit him.
No, you hit
didn't.
me.
You were like, ooh, coach, nice shirt. Hit him. Come on, let's go.
Like you wanted to look and see that face. Hit me. Ah.
Go ahead, Blair.
Oh, come on, get up. Do it again. Do it again. Hit me.
Go, Preston! Push harder! Yeah, I've been waiting for it!
Who's next?
Me!
Sanders, I mean. Well, Sanchez, you first, and then Sanchez.
Hey, you better be quiet!
Oh, I want him to go kiss you.
Hey, they don't be quiet, I'll make you rush suicide! Hey, Coach, you want my pad? I told you, Coach Lee would have seen you. Coaches. Coach Lee's the All-American.
Oh, get that. Hit me. Don't run into me just with your hands. Hit me.
I told you.
Here we go.
That's good. That was good.
What?
You fired off of there. You fired off there.
You need a break, Coach?
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Might get him some water. Get this man some water.
Here we go. Hey, hit him.
I don't need Frank.
Ready. Ready.
Mason, you better beat him. If you don't,
Offensive line. That's what we want to see.
Cody, get up there now! Yeah!
Here we go.
Cody, get up there!
Ready. That was a good hit, Mason. Go.
All right, enough of Coach Lee. That's not fair.
Cody now. Here you go, Coach. Dad, it's raining. Let me go.
No rematch.
Hey, Fred.
Coach Lee, put me up against him.
Here we go on the whistle.
Shouldn't be able to put it on with the strap up. Drive him, drive him, drive him.
I think we should do Coach Lee. Coach Lee versus Coach Cody. Hey, I want to go. Hey, somebody give him a helmet. No, because Mason went first. Mason went first.
Better win.
My dad just went.
You go on the ball.
What is that? Come on, Pin Dog.
Tucker. Not many people get the opportunity to anything to you right now. I got your back. Here we go.
Tucker, you better win.
Throw him, Tucker! Foreman.
I mean, you tried.
I still like
For all your umbrella and
Even if you can. Oh, you still don't have a strap? Probably not, buddy. I can't. Here we go, on the ball. Oh, hit him. If not, you can go back over there. Hit him, boy. Come on. It's like he wiggles his butt back and forth and nothing's doing anything. He's like, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, you can leave it on. It ain't gonna matter. He's fixing to make you, yeah, me and Mason.
Arms down.
Here we go.
Yeah, we need to keep tomorrow.
How you hit a man and laugh at him at the same time?
he said the football recess.
Here we go.
Go. Come on. Go.
Can I have Luca, please? Yeah, Luca. Moses!
Hey, bro.
Put Moses
You only
in.
get one opportunity to bust
Moses.
the ball. I suggest you not pull up. Somebody has a gorilla out of the zoo. Let's go. On the wall.
I'm the only person going up against those 30. Push him harder!
That was one of the hardest hits I had so far.
What about Bubba?
I'll go! Come in! You're my consent.
Bubba wasn't waiting on that though.
Here we go, Rory! Here we go. Let's go, Rory. Hit him.
Hey, put in Evan. No, Moses. Put in Evan. Me. That's Cody. Put in Moses.
That's the most excited I've seen you all year. What do you have against Coach Cody? On the ball, here we go. Let's go, Henry! Let's go, Henry! Push! Come on, Henry! Have ball, Henry!
Henry! This wind is like blowing the umbrella.
Here we go. Hit. Good hit. Who is that?
That's Sherson. Good job.
He's a goal! I want to go! I want to go against Coach Cody! I want Moses to go in! Yeah!
Hey, if you're talking about anything else but this, you're not going to be in, it's going to be bad.
No. Put it
Put it on the ball.
Pancake! Pancake!
Do it again. Do it again. Do it again.
Look, he only got one chest strap and 3 muzzles. Here we go, on the ball.
Is that noise rain?
Push him harder! Hold him. Keep it heavy like he needs to.
Good hit, Charlie.
Go, Charlie. Put him on his back, Charlie.
Hey, that's the hardest thing you hear. All right, here we go. Who's next? Go, Lucas.
I think Lucas already went. Oh, sorry. Hey, nice gloves there. Oh, the ripped ones. Those are those lacrosse gloves? But they won't let me.
Mason, you're up.
You told me to bring my pads. That's not my pads.
Hey, who's up? Who wants some?
Go,
Yeah, 142.
Hey, the whole line.
Why are you facing me?
He's scared. I see it. He's scared.
That was all American. He couldn't make it today. Austin! 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 Austin!
Do it again. Do it again.
Hey, don't let him do that to you. Take him out at the knee.
Get him, Austin. Get him. Good job. Good job. Good job. There you go.
He's next. Luca.
Oh, look at that attitude, boy.
What was that?
Standing up! Stay low!
Keep your butt out. Keep your butt out.
Stay low!
Keep your butt out.
Stay low!
There it is.
Yeah.
Me and Luca. Coach Lee, I want him again. Hey, Coach Lee, I want him again. I want him again, Coach. Coach, I want you again.
Hey, go put the pads on me right here.
Let's go, Roger.
That was so weird.
Go on, go.
Coach, I'm gonna go again.
Aggressive.
Anybody not going that wants to go?
Yeah,
You're supposed to push him in. On the whistle, here we go.
No, Jack.
All right. Hey, everybody up on Coach Cody. Please tell me you Yeah, the entire
I'm trying to. Got him.
Where's the All-American?
No, Jack, we still have an hour and 45 minutes left.
Hey, boys, quiet. Hey, a little bit of seriousness real quick while Coach Cody gets those pads off. Hey, look, boys, it's been a long week, right? We've literally practiced almost 7 out of 7 days or played. Y'all are tired, we're tired, everybody's tired. But guess what we have tomorrow night? Boys, if you can't get excited to play under the lights on a Monday night at home against a bunch of wussies, nothing else in this world will get you excited, okay? There's absolutely no reason why we shouldn't beat the brakes off of that team if y'all show up and want to play football. The cool thing about playing in a football game is the coaches can't do anything for you once they blow the first whistle. It's on you. We put in our time, we put in our heart, we've taught y'all everything that we know. All you got to do is show up. And we watch y'all show up a lot. We watch y'all not show up sometimes. Y'all decide you want to show up. I promise you, you will be victorious tomorrow night. I'm proud of each and every one of you. I've watched you grow. It's been fantastic. I can't wait to see what y'all do tomorrow night.
Huh?
No,
No,
dude,
it's
you
just
should play every game like it's your last game.
is the next one.
It's the first
Right.
time I actually play every game like it's the
Hey, that's right. Is the next one. So look,
last game.
guys. So look, we wanted to have a little bit of fun today. Did we accomplish that?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
How many other coaches are dressing up like a lunatic like me?
No.
No. See, he didn't even know it was me.
Yeah.
He knew he was an All-American. So look, guys. Hey, look. Hopefully we had a good practice. We had a good time. We had a little bit of fun. Because look, we want to go out and play loose tomorrow, okay? Hopefully this excited y'all. Hopefully y'all don't need anything to excite y'all because like Coach Lee said, we play under the lights tomorrow on the St. Thomas More home field. And they just painted it with some cool stuff on it. It's not just lines like this. They got the end zones painted. They got a stencil in the middle. So it's going to be pretty freaking neat when we get out there tomorrow, okay? So listen.
Hush.
Tomorrow, when we get there, I don't want us acting crazy right off the bat, okay? I want us acting very calm, very cool, all right? Show up like we've been here before. That's right. Show up in your white shirts. Don't have your pads on. We're going to get warmed up in our whites, and then we'll go ahead and put our pads on. We're going to do this all very calm, very collective, like an organized football team, like the best football team in the league, right? Then we're going to put our pads on. We're going to run some plays, and then whenever we go and run out between the goalposts onto the field when the lights come on, that's when we're going to go buck wild, all right? That's when we're going to, You know what I'm talking about. That's when we're going to go crazy and be the animals we are, all right?
Sir.
We're going to take the ball away from them. Stop. We're going to get back to taking the ball away from them on defense and applying crazy pressure. And on offense, we're going to score 45 points tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Y'all hear?
In the first quarter.
So look, listen. Tomorrow is going to be a longer game. We'll have special teams, and there's going to be 8-minute quarters.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, be ready. Tomorrow is going to be the toughest test because it's the longest game, and it's going to be our toughest opponent. Are y'all ready?
Yes, sir.
Y'all ready?
Yes, sir.
Y'all ready, Fallowishes?
Yes, sir.
Ready to take them down?
Yes, sir.
Ready for 3 now?
Yes, sir.
Number 1 in the league?
Yes, sir.
Go! Get up! Get up! Get up! Get up! Let's go. Oh.
Yeah, but
What about the 3 linebackers?
What about me?
What about the 3
I laid myself out.
Stop. Paola's going to lead us in prayer. So look, circle up like we did yesterday.
Circle up.
Hey, circle like Big Cat, just like Big Cat.
Arms on shoulders. Hey, put your pads down, arms on shoulders. Get in. Put your helmets down, boys. Hey, boys, arms on shoulders. Move it in.
Move in! I can't do nothing.
Walk inside.
Take a step. Take steps. Come on. Let's go, Romero.
Hey, boys, quiet. Everybody's hands on each other's hand. All right, who's praying for us today?
Paola.
Father, Son, Holy Spirit. Our Father,
Lord in heaven,
hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us.
And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen.
Let's go!
Let's go.
Be quiet. Shut up.
Let's go!
Hey, 4:30 tomorrow, St. Thomas More.
Hey, does your mom know about this?
I don't think.
You don't think? If she knew about it, what would she say?
No.
No, like it's not a good idea for him to be doing this?
Yeah.
Would she say something like he should act his age?
Yeah, probably.
Do you think she'd be worried for his safety?
No, not at all.
No. Does he? Is he going to be moaning on the sofa tonight? Do you think?
Probably.
Probably. You probably have to bring him ice and like a cocktail or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably. All right. You going to hit him hard for us?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Go get him, dude. Hey, Layton. What's it like going up against our new guy?
I mean, he's all right.
I mean, would you call him a challenge?
I mean, a little bit.
He's got kind of fast feet. You feel like that?
I mean, I wouldn't say fast feet. I mean, he's got the fast arms.
Fast arms?
Yeah, you know.
Does he have to cheat to stop you?
A little bit.
You find him holding a lot?
I mean, not a lot, but a little bit. Because, you know, my main play is to run around and come outside. That's his.
Does he wrap you up to do that?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's holding them.
And then I still run around, but he's still holding me like this.
That's holding.
I wouldn't say holding.
When I point at you, say, I hope his pants don't split. Take your mouthpiece out and say, I hope his pants don't split.
I hope his pants don't slip.
Split.
Hey, what was that? Are you sure?
I think he's lost his step. I just hope that he won't get hurt. It's just so sad.
So sad. So sad. So sad. So sad.
I told you that. Y'all get water, plenty of water.
Hey.
Going defense now?
Coach, would you like to respond to some of your players who say that maybe you've lost a step and you should not have come out of retirement?
What I can say is, if they want to bring it, they can bring it. I'm still here.